Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Smith and today I'm going to be using the Healthy Hairline from Janecartersolution. The Healthy Hairline was developed by Janecartersolution to address the needs of multiple hair types, textures, and styles. I found this little travel kit at TJ Maxx, so I said why not. So this is an old twist out. Time for me to just redo my hair. So I'm just going to comb out this twist out so I can go wash my hair. So I have this super cute basket of all my Jane Carter products, and first I'm going to reach for my Renewable Difference Detox Shampoo. The claims are that it restores shine, conditions, detangles, detoxify your hair and scalp, and removes product buildup. And it's for color safe hair. So this is a consistency of the shampoo. The shampoo also smelled like very clean. I really like the smell. So I just wet my hair and put this on it, and it got like a super quick lather. And the instructions say to, wash your hair and pretty much leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. I was not satisfied with this shampoo. When I got done washing my hair, I felt that my roots were like straight, like an inch out. And I had flakes in my hair, and I was like, why do I have flakes in my hair, and why are my roots like feeling weird? And my hair was not I was not able to detangle my hair, but it's kind of like an exfoliating shampoo, so I wouldn't try to detangle my hair anyway, but that's a claim. So other than that, I was not feeling this shampoo, and I probably won't use it again. I went in with a different shampoo just to like have that satisfaction to know that my hair was clean. I don't know what these flakes mean, but I wasn't feeling it. So the next thing out of my basket of goodies is the Revive and Repair Hair Mask. The claims are that it restores shine, rehydrates, and repairs damaged hair. The instructions say to apply to clean, wet hair, use a paddle brush to detangle, and work the mask from root to ends and leave on for 5 to 20 minutes. So I applied this mask and went and sat under my steamer for probably about 45 minutes. I also applied the Healthy Hair Complex for Replenish and Repair oil on top of it, just to get like my deep conditioner to go even deeper and moisturize my hair some more. So after I sat under my steamer, these are my results from using the deep conditioner, and my hair felt so good. It felt like silk, like it was just so soft, and I don't know, I absolutely loved it. Like I was so happy, if you can't tell by the expression on my face. This mask was bomb. So I told my mom that if I liked it, I would send it to her, but I think I'm gonna just buy her own because I want to keep this. So after the deep conditioner, I went in with the Slumber Party Creamy Leave-In Conditioner. The claims is that it works while you sleep to restore moisture, conditions, and hydrates dry hair and scalp. I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. The consistency was kind of creamy, which was weird coming from a spray bottle, but I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. My hair was super hydrated and it was shiny. So I highly recommend this leave-in conditioner if your hair is dry or needs a little bit of repairing. So after applying the leave-in conditioner, I also went back in with the hair oil and put that on top of the leave-in conditioner, and they both just sunk right into my hair, leaving my hair feeling really good. So the next product I used was the Frizz Free Styling Smoother, and it says it helps with heat protection and frizz control to use as anti-frizz curl prep. Clearly I didn't use it for heat control, so I just put this on my hair to just, see if it'll work. I really think the leave-in conditioner and the oil would have been just fine, but I wanted to try this out, and it felt really good. It was kind of slimy, but it definitely sunk like right into my hair. So it got kind of late, so I couldn't do my twist out. So I just put my hair into 2 French braids so my hair could be kind of stretched, which worked out in my favor because I didn't want to apply any heat to my hair anyway. And this is my hair the next day. It was really shiny. These products really sunk into my hair. My hair was not weighed down or anything like that. So the next thing I went in with was the curl defining cream. It says that it's lightweight and dries to a soft, shiny, bouncy style. It never flakes or builds up. So the directions say to reduce frizz, apply to super wet hair, work it through hair section by section. Clearly I didn't use this on like super wet hair because my hair was dry and like kind of stretched out. This product actually reminds me of their Incredible Curls cream. This one says it can like help with shrinkage. I guess I'll have to try this product on a wash and go because clearly I did like a twist out with it. So I just applied this to each section and twisted my hair down to the bottom. It felt really good on my hair. So last but not least, I'm going to go in with the Wrap and Roll Mousse. And it says that the Wrap and Roll Styling Mousse is a light foaming mousse designed to create smooth styles. It dries clean and soft and is perfect for twisting and wet setting. So I just took a little pump of the mousse and put it on the ends of my hair to wrap my perm rod around the end. And the mousse smelled really good. It was really lightweight. So I'm just going to twist my hair up and put perm rods on the end all throughout my hair, and I'll be back. So after repeating that process all over my head, I just went and completed my whole head, and look how juicy and shiny my twists are. I'm so excited to see my results the next day. So I just went to bed and let my hair air dry overnight, and this is the next day. I already removed the perm rods and I'm ready to take my hair down. So I just went in with a little bit more of the oil and started to separate my hair slowly to reduce any frizz. And look at how defined my curls are. I was so happy. Like the product said, my hair was not weighed down. It just like absorbed right in and gave me these super defined curls. I was so happy. So after I got done separating, I just went in and separated and fluffed my hair to how big I wanted it, and I was so satisfied with my results. Like, look at my hair. It looked so good and it felt so good. Like, I'm so excited about these results. So just a little overview of the products. If I had to recommend a product, it would be the Revive and Repair hair mask. That was really good. Also the curl defining cream. Those were my absolute favorites, and of course my least favorite was the Detox shampoo, which is fine. You can just get a different shampoo. All these products were really great. Jane Carter is a great brand, and their products are vegan and natural, which was a real plus for me because, as you know, right now I'm pregnant and I want to be aware of the things that I'm putting in my body. So these products came in, showed up, and showed out. I got my products from all over the place. TJ Maxx, a couple of beauty supplies, just here and there when I found them. But you can find these products, I know for sure, at Sally's and on Janecartersolution.com. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will see you guys later. Bye.